Good day everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing how to allow form submission or how to integrate the form submission without any back-end languages. So in this video I'll be showing how to integrate form submission with use of HTML but no back-end languages like JavaScript, PHP or Python. So here is my contact form, and if you have your own contact form you can still follow up in this video. But if you want to learn how I create this my simple contact form, check the link below the description box below and you will see how I make this simple contact form. So without wasting much time, let us get started. So here is the HTML code for my contact form, in which we are using it only to allow our form submission. So when you notice this our HTML document, I have a form tag and the closing tag of the form. So if you already have your contact form, all you just have to make sure is you have a form tag that wraps your contact form. And when you notice in our input feed, I have a name and a name of email, a name of phone number, a name of subject and a name of message. So this particular section of a name of anything we want to give it will help us to know the input feed in which our users is sending their data from. Don't worry, when we move further in this video you will see how this name works in our email. So also make sure you have a type of text, a type of email if you want to collect a user's email, and a type of number if you want to collect their phone number, and the rest of that. And when you also look at the ending part of each of them, you see required. This required help our form not to submit without our users imputing valid information inside the input boxes. So this is absolutely nice. So without wasting much time, let us get started. So all you just have to do is to go to your web browser and type in formspray.io, but I'll be leaving the description of this website in my description box, so you can just go there and click on it and to bring you to this suitable website. So when you are here with me, you just have to click on the get started button to create an account with Formspray. So Formspray is asking you to create an account with them, so all you just have to do is to input your data by your first name, last name, email, password, and checking these boxes in this screen, and finally click on register. But I already have an account. All I'll just have to do is to sign in my account. So I'll just sign in. I'll sign in. So if you are using Formspray for the first time and you are registering an account with Formspray, please know that before it will bring you to this welcome page, Formspray will send you an activation link to your email that's used in registering your Formspray account, and you will be notified that the email account you want to use for the collection of your users' data, that's what you'll be using for your registration of your Formspray account. So after they send you the activation link on your email, you click on the activation link on your email before you be able to come to this welcome page. So when you are here with me, you just have to click on this plus icon to create a project. So we click on the plus icon and it's asking us to give it a project name. So we give it a project name. So now we are assuming that we are creating a portfolio website. So we say portfolio website. So we click on create project. So after we have created our project already, all you just have to do is to click on this plus icon to create our form. So you click on the plus icon and it's asking us to give it a form name. So we're giving this a form name of form 1. So this is our first form in our project for today. So we create a form. So after these processes, this is all you need to allow form submission or integrate your contact form, and it will absolutely work. So you can go down and go through these processes and read this part of this page to understand it more. So it has HTML and more other programming language as well. So if you are using HTML and you follow these processes, you just click on this copy button to copy everything in this place. So you say copy to clipboard, and you go to your HTML document of your contact form. So in the form of the opening tag, make sure you have an action, and in the action, inside the action, you paste the URL you just copy now, and you went outside and make the method should be post. So now this is all we need for our form submission to work. So let us test it and see how it's absolutely working. So now we go to our contact form and we see it. So let us input the data in this place. So we input our name, our email address, the subject email, and our numbers. And for the text, we just say this is a text message, and we click on the send message button. Okay, we have to input our numbers and our email. So we click on this send message button. Okay, our first name, our email. Okay, so after that we click on the send message button. Say thanks, this form was submitted successfully. So this is all what we need. So now let us check our email if all what we have submitted and integrated from this our form absolutely work. So we go to our email. Wow, so now we have seen our new, so we enter into it and we see all exactly what we have just sent. So we see our name as Kodja Dev, the phone number, the email, and the messages we have already sent. So when we look carefully, we see that it's exactly what we are having in this particular point. That's what we are having in this place. So now let us change this text message to another text. So we say you are welcome, and we change our subject message to welcome. So let us send this, and it loads, and you say thanks. So we go back to our email, go back to the input, and we see another message. So now we see our subject as welcome, the name as Kodja Dev, the phone number, and our subject. So when we look at this place, you see it gave it a particular section, so for we to understand the place our users are implementing from. So now we see the name, the email, the phone number. So this name, email, phone number is what we are having in our HTML document as this place is. So it helps us to know the feed in which our users are inputting from. So let us do more by going to our form and click on these settings. So now we want to enable Google reCAPTCHA. So we come here and click on this enable. So whenever our users want to allow their form submission and put in any other information, and they click on the send message, so you see our form is loading. You see almost there. Please help us. So it said we should enable that I am not a robot. So we click on it. So we say motorcycle, and you click on next. So this helps us to enable our Google reCAPTCHA, so that we'll be collecting a valid message from our users. So it say thanks, your form was successfully submitted. So if we like, we can enable our Google reCAPTCHA for our website, but if we don't want to use our Google reCAPTCHA, we can check it out. So guys, this is how far we can go for this video. Hope you enjoyed this video. So if this is your first time of coming to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and like this video, and don't forget to turn up the notification bell so that you'll be notified when I release suitable content like this one. So see you next time in my channel. Bye bye.